Hey guys, welcome to Enmo Miko's YouTube channel. My name is Nishant. We are here in Bangalore, Malleshwaram, visiting India's first zero waste juice bar. So let's go have a look. What is Eat Raja?
Eat Raja, I would say, is India's first zero waste juice bar, where we don't sell juices but we sell concepts. Concept of how to go zero waste, and that is what we do over here. So it's a complete experience zone, I would say. When people come, they get to experience what zero waste is, how completely zero waste they can go, and how they can consume juices without the use of a cup, straw, and without using tissues. How can they have consumed juices and be guilt free?
So why did you think of going eco-friendly and about the whole zero waste?
So we didn't have a choice, I guess, because now also if you see there's garbage everywhere. So I was just thinking, can we live without generating garbage? But then when my dad passed away, his shop, he was using a lot of plastic, straws, cups, carry bags and all of that. So when my mom started it again, I said we will be more eco-friendly. We will ban all those single-use disposables that are going to be part of trash. So we decided on 28th of March 2018 that we will go completely zero waste. But later in 2019 is when actually our shop became viral for the concept that we have. That's where we said, why even use glass jars to serve juices? Because one, you'll spend about 250 ml of water just washing the glass, and if you're really a cleanliness freak, you need to really rub it hard and fast, use more water to make it sparkling clean. So we thought, okay, why don't we cut down that as well? And when nature has given such a beautiful product like a fruit which can be scooped and made it into a cup, initially I started with watermelon juices and then progressed into muskmelon, then papaya, all the bigger fruits. Then today's date, I think we are the only juice bar existing in India that serves only in fruit and vegetable cups. Many people come and ask me, hey, this juice is amazing. I would want my mom to have it, my uncle to have it, my brother to have it. But then I ask them, how can you parcel an experience? Coming to Eat Raja, having the juices in its own fruit shell is an experience. And the most popular and our flagship juice that I would like to say is chili guava shots.
So finally, like, what happens to all the waste that is generating over here? I mean, the fruit skins and everything. What do you do with that?
So for many people, I've told them that our shop is not a juice center, but it's a waste engineering center.
Okay.
Every waste that is getting is created here is engineered into another product. Why don't I show you? Come along with me. So this is how we manage our waste. So there are some juices like chili guava, apple, cucumber that you can drink and eat. So end of it, there's no waste generated because nothing's left in your hand. But watermelon, papaya, muskmelon, the shells are all big. You can't eat them. So we collect all of them like how we have collected here. And this is all fed to the cows. Today we have something special actually. Every weekend, Church Street is made completely pedestrian friendly. There are no vehicles that are allowed. And we are doing something amazing over there. So come along and I'll show you what that is.
forgot to ask you one thing. So you were a radio jockey before.
Yeah.
How did you transition into this?
So I never really planned to be doing what I'm doing right now. So it just happened to me because my dad was running this shop for I think more than about 40 years, and I was working as a radio jockey. So I have actually no clue of how or what to do with juices. So in fact, I don't even know beyond. I never knew beyond apples and oranges and bananas. So it was a fresh start for me from ground zero. I had no clue. I started right from understanding which are the different fruits that are available, and then I started making smoothies. So I never really planned. It just happened to me because I didn't have a choice. I quit radio. My mom started this, so I wanted to help her out with whatever knowledge that I knew, and that's how it all started. But the zero waste initiative was from my side, so I was always oriented towards zero waste from college days. Thanks to my college for giving me an insight into what the world looks like when you go minimalistic. So that's where it all started.
What were the biggest challenges that you faced while starting this?
So any new concept for a starter is not accepted by too many people. So when I said I'm not going to serve juices in a plastic cup or a paper cup, people were taken in the bag. They said like, but how are you going to serve? I said I'm not going to use even a glass, but I will serve all juices in the fruit shell. My mom was the first to laugh, and she said, are you crazy? How can you serve juices inside of a fruit shell? I said like, this is how I do it. And I started off with watermelons. And after watermelons became popular, I said like, okay, this has gotten boring. So let me move on to muskmelon, then sunmelon, then papaya. So all the bigger fruits I finished. The challenge was how do I serve grapes? How do I serve guava? How do I serve any other strawberry? And these are all smaller fruits. That's when I started doing fusion juices. So muskmelon, strawberry, muskmelon, grape, banana, papaya, lots of them. I think the biggest innovation of ours has been the banana shots, because nobody expected a banana to be turned into a cup, and we pour our juices inside that, we serve them, and then completely zero waste.
As a final message, what would you like to say to our viewers and audience, and how can they go eco-friendly, or what can they do to be a better individual or a human being?
You know what, it's not at all like, moving mountains. It's just that, you don't generate any waste. Every single person is responsible about the waste that they are generating. Then there is actually net no waste generated. Say for example, I don't generate waste at all. So there are 5 more people like that. So 5 of us together are not generating waste. Imagine if 100 crore population takes care of their own garbage. They're saying that, I don't want to generate any waste. Then you see the result, it is no waste generated.
Wonderful. Really great talking to you.
Thank you so very much.
A last favor from you.
Yeah.
Can you give a shout out to NVOM Eco and ask our subscribers to subscribe to our channel, and also to subscribe to your channel and come down to your store, in fact.
NVOM Eco, thank you so very much for all that you have been doing, featuring Eat Raja. Anybody, it's like, it's very important that, like-minded people gel together. We match the same wavelength, so I'm pretty sure what you guys are doing is amazing for the environment. So please do subscribe them, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share it, let the whole world know, and also comment right over there, okay? And you know how to get in touch with me. I'm already tagged in this video, so reach out to me. Eat Raja, it's very easy. We are the only such India's first zero waste juice bar.
Great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time, Raja. It was a
Pleasure,
pleasure
man.
talking to you.